Hey, it's one of those days where we're getting multiple updates from HubSpot. Remember, if you like these updates, if you like these videos or these audio updates, these Sprocket Talk HubSpot updates, in the interim of iTunes saying yes to our podcast, you can go to georgebthomas.com/Sprocket. That will get you the audio versions of this. Of course, if you're on YouTube right now, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for instant notifications because these things are flying off the shelf. Today, we're actually talking about manage your social media through a social calendar. Say what? Well, with that, you know what time it is. You know what time it is. It's HubSpot Update Time, brought to you by... That's right, this Sprocket Talk update is brought to you by Impulse Creative and myself, George B. Thomas. And today it is about managing your social media through the social calendar. Now, why does it matter? Well, it matters because sometimes social can be super difficult for marketers. And, well, you know, you want to be able to have the right conversation at the right time with your audiences. Sometimes you might actually have posts scheduled and something happens and you want to move them to the next day or the day before. And before, it was kind of difficult to do because you had to go through a bunch of clicks. And now in the social calendar inside of HubSpot, you can just drag and drop these things. Now, I will have an actual tutorial on how to do this, probably coming out within the next day or so, but you may want to go into your HubSpot portal and go into social and check out this update. Now, the way that it works is there's going to be a little icon on the left that you can go from the kind of list view to the calendar view. And once you're in the calendar view, you're going to be able to see that you can drill down monthly, weekly, and even to day or daily, and then to day. There's a button for that. You're also going to be able to filter out all the accounts. So for instance, if I want to come in and I want to be able to see just the George B. Thomas Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, I can do that. If I want to be able to see everything company-wide, what's going on, I can do that. I can even filter by campaigns and even post type. So there is really good ways that you can manage and visually see and manipulate with that drag and drop your HubSpot social media tool. It just got better. Holy mackerel, it's totally crazy. Now you might be wondering, who gets this update? Well, this update is for Marketing Hub Basic, Professional, and Enterprise users who have the social tools, which by the way, all three of those have the social tools. Hey, that is today's update. By the way, if you like these updates, make sure that you head over to SprocketTalk.com/FB. That will take you right to our Facebook private group. We also have a Facebook page and a YouTube channel that you might want to check out where we give you tutorials, these updates, and definitely interviews with thought leaders, HubSpot employees, and just amazing HubSpot and inbound marketing content. Well, until next time, this is your boy George B. from Impulse Creative, aka Sprocket Talk, or Sprocket Talk, aka Impulse Creative, saying happy HubSpotting.